Good Thursday morning. I apologize, first of all, for not having a video since last Friday. It's been one of them weeks. Saturday I kind of decided to not have a video because I was doing stuff like this.
So, David, you can kiss your bride.
And then I did this. But after all that, I came home to this.
Trying to do it like we did last night, maybe.
There's a upset bunch of little fellers.
Get solid bottom, the wind won't catch it as bad.
Plumb ripped the hinges off, busted your damn roof. Shit. What?
Kind of tight in on this floor.
This.
As long as the wind don't change.
Well. I mean, what do you think I ought to do other than that?
That's good for me. Because you got the weight back here to hold this.
That was fun. My chicken tractor's held together with load straps now. Sunday I went and played with these people. We went to some indoor amusement park named Malibu Jacks. That was fun. I'm not 20. I don't know. Indoor roller coasters, not my thing. Little spinny things. We played putt-putt, and we shot zombies. I like shooting zombies. Shooting zombies is fun. But that's what I did for my birthday on Sunday. And then Monday, I went to Lowe's, and I got 2x4s so I could fix my chicken tractor. And by the time I got back from Lowe's, I went to bed. And I pretty much stayed in bed from then all the way through Tuesday. I mean, I got out and let the chickens out and stuff like that, but that was about it. And then Wednesday, I managed to do this. But after I did that, I pretty much went back to bed till church Wednesday night. So I got up and did that. Now it's Thursday morning. I feel pretty much human. I don't know about this sick stuff. That's like twice in a month. And I mean sicker than I've been in a long, long time. I don't usually get that sick. Not cool. I don't have time for that. But anyway, today I'm going to go work on my chicken tractor. Try and get that fixed, and I want to make some improvements to it. We'll go through it. I'm gonna well, we're gonna do that together. We're gonna go work on that, but in the meantime, I got to go let those chicks out. They're probably getting grumpy. It's almost 10 o'clock in the morning, and kind of late. And in the meantime, I've been taking care of my cat Buddy. I don't know what happened to Buddy, but he's got a hind leg that today is about twice the size of normal. Which is way better than it was Monday. I don't know what happened to him. I mean, it swole up bad. And I don't know. He ain't done nothing but lay around the house. He won't eat. He won't nothing now. He got up this morning. He come in, had breakfast in the kitchen. Drank a little bit of water. Not much, but enough. For a minute, I thought we was going to have to go to the vet. I didn't want to have to do that. But I like him. Like I said, his name's Buddy. He's my buddy. I have no idea who that is. None whatsoever. I live in a friendly neighborhood. Followed by a school bus. Anyway, time to get moving. Get these chickens out. So let's talk about what happened to my chicken tractor. I came home from the demolition derby on Saturday night. And what I found was this thing was pretty well tore up. See, I got the roof where it lifts like that. It lifted like that on the other side. The other side was blown up and over. I was laying over here on this. Got the spot right there as it went over. I got the plastic to fix that. And completely took that other side of the roof off. And the whole thing was cockeyed in the 50-mile-an-hour winds. So I've decided that since I've got to work on this thing anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take both sides of this roof off, because if there is a mistake that I made on this, is when I did the two roofs where I could lift it like that as opposed to just having a single roof, because I thought it'd be easier, and in some ways it is easier. But the problem with it is, unless this thing's dead flat level, yeah, right there in the middle, you can see I've got a gap there. Of course, that's not even attached right now except with a load strap. But you get this gap right here, and water wants to drip right there in the middle on my chicken tractor, and that's just not good. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and lift that up, both sides, and make the angle a little steeper. And I'm going to have to put a couple more boards here to raise this up so I can get the doors to work. The lids to work. So that's what I'm going to do today. Like I said, that side there's already, it's just tore off. It actually came through it with minimal damage overall, but still, gotta be fixed. So that's what I'm gonna work on. Okay, just because this is a table saw trick I think everybody should know, I've got a 2x6 like that, and I want to saw it from that corner to that corner at an angle. Well, table saw runs straight. I took this board, screwed it down at that angle, and now I can lay that board up against the guide, shove that through straight, and cut that board at the angle that I want it. Just one of them things everybody ought to know. Well, some idiot with a camera can't record stuff, right? I just said that I cut these things here to fit precisely to each one, both sides of this. Just did that on the chop saw. Nothing very exciting. And now I'm just screwing it down. Okay, I'm going to stack these 3 deep and then screw into that for the hinges. And just so everybody knows, I am not admitting that I cut those at 3 1/8 inch wide, and then I had to go back and recut them all at 3 inches. I'm not admitting that, just so you know. Well, that's where I'm going to end today's video. Got the chicken coop all rebuilt. I got done. I forgot to put hinges on it. I got hinges so it can't flip like that again. I'll put them on probably tomorrow. And then tomorrow, the cat Church is going back to the vet. He's having the wires taken out of his jaw. I was going to end today's video by showing you Buddy and what's wrong with Buddy, but he's back there laying in the bed with my wife, and we're not going to go back and film my wife in the bed. Just not going to happen. So anyway, been a productive day. Got the chicken coop fixed, and that's about it. If you like this kind of stuff, remember, my name's Mark. I'm just some old Kentucky homesteader. Follow along. We'll see how it goes. And in the meantime, you have a blessed day.